Hello, Tina here from Midlife Fabulous, where we're a lifestyle channel all about staying fabulous no matter what your age. And today I want to talk to you about supplements, internal supplements, powder supplements. This one is a protein-based supplement from a company called Bold Health, and it's something that I've only recently gotten into is supplements. I've always just thought I've eaten okay and I didn't need it, but now that I've reached my midlife and I'm in my mid-50s, I really do want to take good care of my insides as well as my outsides. Like, I spend a lot of money and research on my skincare and my makeup, making sure I'm buying products that not only make me look nice, but actually have good for my skin ingredients in it. And now I am spending a bit of time researching supplements that are good for my insides as well, just to kind of keep me as fit and healthy as I can for as long as I can. And this one today from Bold, it's actually targeted at those of us in our midlife. So it's targeted at mid-50s upwards. So it's got some really good ingredients in there that help with our age group. So it's good for your heart health, it's good for tissue repair, muscle mass, and it's got a lot of vitamins in it. And those vitamins are vitamin D, B12, calcium, magnesium, folate, potassium, and omega-3. So I think a lot of those things I do relate to: the heart health, the tissue repair, the muscle mass. Those things are things that have meaning to me because I've got a little sore knee, and I've noticed that my muscles aren't as strong as they used to be. So I really just want to start doing a few things, and my main exercise is just walking now, just walking the dog. So I don't do a lot of gym work or things like that. I just do a bit of walking, so a bit of lifestyle. So when I found this supplement from Bold Health, it really drew my attention, and I wanted to give it a try. And I've got to say, I do love the flavour. It's a vanilla flavour, but it's also a plant-based. So, if you're a vegetarian, then this one is good for you. It's a protein that's good for you as well. And it has been formulated by nutritional scientists. So it's got some really good backing behind it. But as well as just being able to pop it in a glass of water, give it a quick stir as it absorbs very quickly. And look, you also get a little water bottle. So I use this when I take Fluff for a walk. I just pop my supplement in here. Oh, speak of Fluffy, there he goes. I just pop my supplement in here, fill it with 250 mils of water, and take him for a walk and have a little drink along the way. But what I want to show you today is another way that I do it. I pop it into some food just to give it a little bit of variety. So the one I'm going to do today, it's a coconut chai pudding, and it's low in carbs, low in sugar, and I'm going to add my protein base from Bold in it just to give it the little bit of difference, so I'm not just drinking it with water. So let's get in. It's very quick. I'm going to show you how to do this dessert, and I hope you like it. All right, let's get into making this really simple, easy, and good for you dessert. It is a chai coconut pudding, and obviously the main ingredient is the chai seed. So I actually use a black and white chai seed. So basically everything just goes into one container and we stir. So as I tell you the ingredients, I'm going to pop it into the container. So I've got the black and white chai seeds. That's 1/4 cup. Pop those into your bowl. I've got 2 tablespoons of the shredded coconut. If you don't like coconut, leave it out. Pop that in. Then I have got, I like to use vanilla extract. So with the vanilla extract, I use 1 teaspoon. Then I use the coconut milk, give it a bit of a shake, and we use 1 1/4 cups of coconut milk. So let's grab this one. So there's my first cup. It's nearly a whole tin. If you're not fussy, just chuck the whole tin in. 1 1/4 coconut milk. Then the last little one, I'm going to just pop in 2 tablespoons of just some sugar-free maple syrup. So that is 2 tablespoons. Oh, dripping there. I'm a messy cook. What about you? All All right, so that's in. Now we're going to give it a good stir around. This really is the simplest dessert. Make sure it's all coated. Then I'm just going to pop some summer berries in. This is just a frozen packet. I find the frozen ones work nicer in this dessert. Gives it a little bit of a red colour too. So stir that around. Now because this is for two, I'm going to pop 2 scoops of my bold protein powder in here. So, gotta say, it smells so nice. This is a vanilla flavour one, so it's actually got a beautiful, beautiful smell to it as well. Okay, so I'm going to pop 2 of those into there. Got the resealable lid. Good. And I'm just going to give it a good stir, mix it all through. Right, that is stirred all the way through. It's all mixed fine. There's no lumps in there. Everything's all absorbed in. And I'm going to leave that sitting on the bench for about 10 minutes. And that just allows it to thicken just a little bit. Then I'm going to pop it into my glass jars, pop them in the fridge for about 2 hours. Then you have a beautiful, healthy, protein-based dessert. That's been sitting for about 10 minutes now. Just going to pop it into the glasses. Make sure get a bit of even fruit in each one. Bit messy, but not a master chef, am I? There we go. Well, how easy was that? Now I'm just going to pop them in the fridge for about 2 hours and I've got my easy, beautiful, healthy dessert. That's been in the fridge now for about 2 to 3 hours. So that's ready to go for dessert tonight if we want it tonight. Or if you want to make an extra couple, sometimes I have these for breakfast. If I don't have time to make breakfast before I go to work, I have one of these of a morning. So whichever way you choose to do, they're just as nice no matter whether you have them for dessert or for breakfast. That is good.